That's what I'm after. I need that breakout. Once I've got the trend turned, which already happened, I need a nice solid daily and weekly close above that on Sunday night. Then I would say, all right, I think we're in for something. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Wednesday, 18 September 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the euro, the Aussie and the yen, and short on the CAD, the US and the New Zealand dollar. So you go for the dollar index breaking now through that pattern, but bouncing immediately off the support level like I've explained to you on the previous videos. Retesting immediately, very much faster than I thought it will happen, retesting this triangle pattern. So a file over from here will definitely predict a leg down the patch. However, tonight FOMC meeting, I think the whole market will be waiting for either a 25 basis points or a 50 basis points drop in the interest rates in the US, which will have vastly different responses. So we'll see tomorrow most likely what is the result of the FOMC meeting tonight. So I'm expecting quite a sideways day today while the market tries to find direction tonight when Fed Powell speaks. When I look at the indicators, I need to stay short on the dollar. Short term, medium term, long term, and my intraday indicators, everything tells me to be bearish on the dollar. I'll stay bearish on the dollar until they tell me differently. So gold a little bit under pressure. We saw a little bit of a bounce yesterday now on the dollar index. However, when I look at the dollar here comparing to the other currencies, I can clearly see it stays weak. This is usually a precursor of what happens on the larger time frames. So I'm still very keen staying short on the dollar. Although gold a little bit under pressure, I'm still looking for that breakout trade there. Once that happens, that will be something for me to do. I still like to be long on gold, but obviously with the Fed meeting tonight, things can change very quickly. But at this stage, I want to stay long gold because I got a weak dollar here. So my next action will be the breakout on the 4-hour chart. On the dailies, we have the long on the bullish engulfing and the hammer candle. We've hit the first target. I'm waiting for a breakout. I'll add back into the trade. And then my final target for my end of day trades will be at that 26.30 levels. That's still the levels I am after. Once I get the entry on the 4-hour charts, I'll then look for some targets. But most likely that'll also be roughly at the area of 26.30. So let's hope for the best for tonight's meeting. Bitcoin catching a little bit of a bit there. The rest of the cryptos are a bit quiet. XRP got a bit catching a little bit of a bit also, but not doing that much. It's nothing convincing. However, I was hoping here for a little bit of a head and shoulders possible, but it's not clean and clear. I'm worried about this long-term trend line, which cuts through all those levels. But I've explained it previously. It's still a level. That $61,000 stays a level which the market will battle with. So for me, if I can connect all these lines, I need this to go beyond this. Let's forget about the head and shoulders. Let's look at this. I think that will be the area to watch. I'm going to remove this long-term trend line. Let's just focus on the shorter term here. That's what I'm after. I need that breakout. Once I've got the trend turned, which already happened, I need a nice solid daily and weekly close above that on Sunday night. Then I would say, all right, I think we're in for something. But at this stage, I'm not that excited yet about this. I will not be doing any short-term trades here. Look at the stochastic, it's highly overbought. Not that I believe in overbought and oversold, but it could mean right at resistance that it could sell off. That's why, because of that, I need the stochastic to go flat up there, showing strength and then break out. That will be a very, very bullish indication. But for now, I'm quite neutral. Looking at the US CAD, we took the long there and very sideways. Just trail the stop loss to as close as possible. You can see new highs there. So trail the stop loss to this low here. That reduces the risk, but it's a fading trade. US CAD, they're fighting for the bottom of the pile spot there. So let's see what happens. I won't run out of it. I'll just follow my rules and my strategies, and that's it. I will sit with it. We had some stunning trades this week and last week here on the channel, and also my mentoring program. We've done a lot of excellent trades there. And so there's a lot of money in the bank. I just manage this trade now until target or stop loss. But for now, I'm trailing the stop loss because that's all I can do. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasso. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Inside PI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Look at the pound. US pound bouncing off now, busy forming a bullish engulfing on the close of the next bar. Couldn't do anything there yesterday. But the problem is, look here, the trend has turned back bearish. So I've put this on here. I said to my mentoring program, guys, this morning, let's take it off. But with a strong bounce, this could turn blue. And if this turns blue and this ends up like this kind of scenario, black and a white candle there, it could still be a bullish engulfing with the pound neutral, but the dollar second last spot in the red zone. So going long here will give me that short on the dollar. So I'm putting this back, but I'm worried about this indicator here. So the chances are slim, but I'm leaving it on my watch list. Then the Aussie New Zealand busy forming, making a trade right now. Last directional swing, retracement back to 61%. Right at structure there. You can see Aussie second strongest of them all, and then New Zealand in the red zone. So I'm trying to be long here, not my favorite pair to be long in. But if this closes like this, above the halfway mark of the black candle, definitely going to take something here. I don't want to take too many trades before tonight with the FMC meeting, but a little nibble there would definitely get me to look at this. In the Euro US, also looking for the retracement, Euro green zone, dollar red zone. Want to be long here, but not from these levels. I would like to see a retest to 61% level, right the structure here on the trend just turning bullish. Then if the bulls can prove themselves with a nice counter reversal, I'll then take a long. Pound CAD, similar scenario than yesterday. Pound neutral zone, not after that, but I'm after the CAD short. Going long here will give me that. So we got the big sell-off, maybe a little bit of a bounce, but I need this to come back down here before I will take a chance here on a trade. Nice structure coming here between 50 and 61%, but I need a test and a candle reversal. And the Euro CAD, same as yesterday, Euro green zone, CAD red zone. Want to be long here, but not from those highs. So at this stage, I'm going to wait for the retracement back to the 61% level. We might find different levels later on, but let me first see what happens. I'm not keen chasing it up there. I'm going to wait for the retracement. In the Aussie US, just brand new trend coming in. Aussie very strong, dollar very weak. So I would like to be long here, but not chasing it through these levels. I would like to see a retracement back to that 50-61% level. If the market can test and the bulls can prove themselves, I'll consider some longs. Aussie Swiss, some similar scenario. Aussie green zone, Swiss not after that, but I'm after the Aussie long. Trend just changing. I'm not going to chase it up there. I would love to see a retracement. I'm not saying it will retrace. If it retraces, I'll get interested. If it doesn't, I'm not interested at all. For now, I'm hoping for retracement. In the pound, Australian dollar, pound not after that, but I'm after the Aussie long. You can see the Aussie is a big theme for today. I'm after the Aussie long. I need a retracement. So shorting this here on the pound Aussie will give me the long on the Aussie. But I need this to retrace to 61%, structure there. Once I get a counter reversal there with a brand new trend on its way, I'll then look for some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.